Hey guys, this is Zach with Next Tech News, and today we're going to be building one of my subscribers a $1,000 PC build. He primarily wanted to use it for Fortnite, so here's the parts and the build. Starting from left to right, we have the Cooler Master Masterbox Q300L Micro ATX case. It's a great little case, especially for $39.99. Then we have the Cryorig M9A, which is the AMD variant, and the Ryzen 1600X. As a motherboard, we have the B350M Pro VD Plus by MSI. As a graphics card, we have the EVGA GTX 1060 6GB edition, and then we have the Corsair 450 watt power supply. On the table here you see we have the Elite Plus 16GB kit of 2400 DDR4 RAM and a crucial 250GB SSD to round out the build. Overall, I think this is a great build, and I think my subscriber is going to love it. I hope you guys really liked this $1,000 PC build. The subscriber I built it for just absolutely loves it, but please let me know what you think of it in the comments below. This is Zach with Next Tech News. See ya!